5 steps, 5 minutes. Learn how to make money fast, and make money doing something that you love. How are you guys doing today? My name is Apple, and today we are filling in the financial gap between schools and the real world, and today we are talking side hustles. So a side hustle is a way for you to leverage something that you really care about and a way for you to pursue your passion while providing value to people and generating income. And this is one of the things that I preach the most on this channel, is to get a side hustle, find some side hustles, and start doing stuff you love and getting paid for it, because what is better than that? So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 actionable steps in order to come up with ideas for and develop your side hustle and start generating income. So follow along with the steps in this video and you are going to be well on your way to starting a side hustle. So let's go. All right, so here are the 5 steps. Step number 1 is to write down 3 passions that you have, 3 things you just absolutely love to do, because at the end, what it comes down to is you need to be passionate about this side hustle, or else you're not going to stick with it. You're not going to put the work in up front to get it going, and you're not going to be thrilled with it. You're not going to be engaged with the work that you're doing. So you need to find passions. So first thing you can do is just write down like 3 things that you generally like to do or generally like to talk about on a piece of paper. Next thing you're going to do is, for each of those passions, you're going to write down 5 things that you could do to leverage that passion or activity in order to provide value for someone. Now, this is the trickiest step on the list, is coming up with ways to leverage that passion that would provide value for people. So a lot of people have things that they like doing. They like to skateboard, they like to decorate, they like to go to the mall, stuff like that. And it's hard for a lot of people to figure out how to go from a passion into a way to leverage that passion to make some income. So that is going to be the trickiest step right there, is step number 2. Once you get past step number 2, you are smooth sailing. Because step number 3 is, for each of these ideas you just came up with, you need to find your niche or target audience. So you have to figure out, who are you marketing this product or idea to? Who is going to pay you to either perform this service or provide this product? So you need to figure out that, because if you try to please everyone, you're going to please no one. Step 4 is establish a way to get paid. So the easiest way to do this is usually through PayPal, or if you're operating like an online store, if you're selling a product online, you could use Shopify or you could use Amazon, but you need a way to get paid. Because if you don't have a way to get paid, even if somebody really wants your stuff and really wants to buy something from you, they're gonna have no way to give it to you. So you need to provide them with an easy way to give you money once they want the thing that you're producing. Step 5 is pick one of those ideas you had, start hustling, and repeat. So it's not gonna be easy to get a side hustle off the ground at first. Usually it takes some work at the beginning. You got to put in the work up front, but it will pay you huge dividends in the end. Once it's up and rolling, it's going to be a blast, and you're just going to be smooth sailing, and it's going to be well worth the effort that you put in up front. So you have to put in the effort up front. But if you get partway down the road and realize that this is not something that you want to keep doing, it's definitely okay to cut that off and try something new. But you have to stick at it long enough and not give up at the first sign of difficulty, because there will be difficulty. It's not going to come easy, but it's going to be well worth it. I can promise you that. So that was the 5-step, 5-minute side hustle prep guide, what have you. So I hope that was able to help get some ideas rolling in your head for how you can quick start your next side hustle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to share this with a friend so that they can see how they can start their own side hustle and start making money that they are passionate about. Thank you guys very much for sticking around. I will see you guys tomorrow, and until next time.